Welcome back to Quick Burmese Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to construct Burmese words by using consonants and vowel sounds. The Burmese language is tonal and syllable based. In addition to 33 consonants, there are 13 basic vowels which are the source of 24 vowel tones. If you look carefully, you will notice that the letter A is considered both as a consonant as well as a vowel. In fact, the vowel tone A is inherent in all consonants. Well, what do I mean by that? Let me explain by using a couple of examples. The consonant Ka is the combination of its core K sound with the vowel tone A. Likewise, the consonant Ma is the combination of its core M sound with the vowel tone A. This concept is true for all other consonants. Alright, back to the vowel chart again. In this chart, you will find A in all vowel tones. It means A is the basic vowel element for all vowel tones. Before we learn more about the vowel tones, let's see how Burmese words are constructed. To produce a different vowel sound than the inherent one, different vowel signs are attached to the preceding consonant. How does it work then? Well, we place the inherent consonant in the middle, then add the combining characters before, after, above, and beneath the consonant. A consonant can accommodate more than one vowel signs at the different locations or at the same location. Here are the combining characters that generate vowel sounds. The combining characters in the small cyan frames represent vowel sounds, and the ones in the small red frames represent consonant sounds. Here are the names and descriptions of the combining characters. There are 8 groups of vowel tones, and each group contains 3 different tones. The easiest way to analyze a tone is by the length and the pitch of the sound. The first vowel sound has a short length and a high pitch, so the voice becomes creaky. The second one has a medium length and a middle pitch, and it is the same as a normal voice. The third vowel sound has a long length and a high pitch, but falling towards the end. Therefore, the voice becomes breathy. Okay, now let's listen to the different vowel tones.
A, 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 E, 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 U, 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 E, 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 O, 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 O.
Alright, these are all of the vowel tones that Burmese language has. I know that it will be difficult for you to remember all those vowel tones, but believe me, a little practice will help you a lot. Before I end this tutorial, I would like you to see some Burmese Pali letters that are not listed as standard Burmese alphabets. The first Pali letters share some of the Burmese vowel sounds, and the last Pali letter has its own sound. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you do, please subscribe it, and also ring the bell so that you don't miss a thing. See you next time.